Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, step-by-step tutorial po tayo on how you can book your biometric appointment to Canada via VFS Global. Sa mga first time po mag-book, every countries po na hawak ng VFS Global, meron po silang specific link na nilalaan sa bawat bansa. So make sure na dapat nababasa nyo po dito. For example, ito, VFS Global is an exclusive service provider for the government of Canada. So, dapat mababasa nyo dyan yung bansa na pupuntahan ninyo. Kita nyo guys, meron 4 na choices. Apply for a visa, book an appointment, find the center, submit passport, and documents. So, apply for a visa, you don't need this kasi online kayo nag-apply ng visa. Book an appointment, ito yung pipiliin natin, but I will going also to discuss these 2 choices. Find the center, saan mo ba gustong mag-submit ng biometric? In Manila ba or in Cebu? And submit passport and documents. Ito guys yung pinaka-end process. Which is kung approve po yung visa ninyo online, so may matatanggap kayong email from IRCC to submit your passport para po sa stamping ng visa. So dito po tayo sa book an appointment. Schedule an appointment for biometric enrollment. So, ayan guys, babasahin nyo po yan guys ha. So, magbubuk na tayo guys ng appointment. So, scroll down nyo lang siya. And then, online, please click here. By the way guys, you can also book your appointment by calling VFS, by sending an email, or by chatting through web chat or in person. But, well recommended guys na online kayo magbubook ng appointment. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa click para makapag-book tayo ng appointment. So, and before you can proceed to book your biometric, you need to create your account. Click New User para makapag-create po tayo ng account. So, ito po siya, New User Registration. After nyo guys ma-fill in ng information to, you need to click Submit. Makikita nyo guys, meron tayo ditong nakasulat, please click on activation link sent to your email. So, importante na tama po yung email na in-enter ninyo. Kasi dito, isi-send yung inyong link para ma-activate yung account. So, kung mali yung email, means po hindi nyo marireceive yung activation email ng VFS. So, activate account. Your account is successfully activated. Please log in to proceed with an appointment booking. So, you need to enter again your valid email. Yung email po na ginamit nyo guys kanina pag-register nyo, yun yung inyong ilalagay dito. And then, continue. So, andito na tayo guys sa pinaka-home para makapag-book kayo ng inyong appointment. So, dito, apply for visa to Canada and your country, Philippines. So, napaka-importante na to guys kasi kung mali yung website na kung saan kayo nag-register, so hindi po Pilipinas ang nandito. Pero nyo guys, ang daming VFS, ayan, sa ibang bansa. Action, schedule an appointment, reschedule appointment, cancel appointment, email appointment letter, retrieve incomplete appointment. So, dito po tayo sa schedule an appointment. Need to select where. Kung saan nyo guys gusto. So, we have Canada Visa Application Center sa Cebu and number of applicants. So, if you are a family, so, kailangan nyo bilangin ilan ba kayo, 5 ba kayo, naaalis. So, para guys, sa isang booking na lang kayo. Compact kayo sa isang booking as a family. For example, isa lang na applicant. Ayan, hindi siya family. Select appointment category. So, I have here biometric enrollment. So, I acknowledge terms and condition and then click continue. First name, last name, date of birth, action. So, wala pa guys applicant dito sa account na to. So, kailangan mo mag-add applicant. Add new applicant. You have IRCC number, date of birth, first name, last name, mobile number, and your email address. So, saan guys makukuha yung IRCC number? Kung wala nito, you cannot proceed to your booking. If you sign into your IRCC account or portal, makikita nyo to guys, biometric collection letter, a client application summary, submission of confirmation of online application transmission. So, ito guys na biometric collection letter, you need to download this. Kasi dito nyo mahanap ang inyong IRCC number. So, biometric instruction letters. Sa second page ng inyong biometric letter, mahanap nyo po doon ang inyong IRCC number. Sa taas po ng barcode. So, ito siya guys, IRCC number. So, ito yung kailangan ninyo para makapag-proceed kayo sa inyong application. So, you need to write it. Pwede din naman na copy and paste na lang. So, proceed tayo guys sa application. So, date of birth. Then, click submit. Sabi dito guys, a one-time password or OTP has been sent to the registered email address and or contact number. Please enter this password in a one-time password OTP field to proceed. So sabi ko nga guys, dapat you have access to your email kasi without valid email, hindi kayo makakapag-proceed. Ayan. And send one-time password. And then, after nyo guys ma-enter yung inyong OTP, click please verify the one-time password OTP and continue. Mamimili na tayo guys ng date of your appointment. So, napaka-latest ng aking vlog. Up to date talaga siya. So, sa mga mag-a-apply year 2024 and behind, so makaka-expect po kayo ng up-to-date information. Yan, and time. So for me, I will choose 10:45. So February 20, 2024 at 10:45 to 11. And after that, guys, click confirm. And okay. So ang higpit guys ng VFS kasi chine-check niya talaga kung secure ba yung inyong internet connection. And kung nakapili na tayo guys ng ating appointment and ito na yung susunod, please note down this reference number for future use. So you need to take note. So mag-ready kayo guys ng ballpen and your notebook. Ayan. Yes, I agree to receive further communication and optional value-added services offered by VFS Global. So, click natin yung ating appointment letter. Guys, kailangan nyo to i-download kasi itong appointment letter, guys, kailangan nyo po itong idala on the day of your appointment. And ganito ang itsura ng appointment letter ng biometric for Canada. Kung wala kayo guys appointment letter, hindi kayo papapasukin sa VFS Global on the day of your appointment. So, sa booking na ginawa ko guys, hindi na ako nag-payment kasi nagawa ko na siya online. Nagkapag-payment na ako ng 80 Canadian dollar through credit card. So, panag-book kayo guys ng VFS ninyo, free of charge na po yun. Wala na po kayong babayaran. Unless na lang po, kung wala po kayong binayaran online na 80 Canadian dollar for biometric, then the VFS will going to charge you. And to those who are asking kung ano yung mga dadalhin on the day of their appointment, kundi lang guys. First, your VFS biometric appointment confirmation, yung dinownload ko dito kanina. Second one is yung passport po ninyo for identity verification. Any valid ID. Guys, ball pen. Wag nyo guys kakalimutan magdala ng ball pen kasi sa VFS guys, wala silang pinapahiram. Unless na lang kung meron kang kakilala doon. But, ayun, mag-aantay ka kung may mga pepermahan po kayong documents. And sa nagtatanong kung kinukuha na daw ba ng VFS ang passport on the day of your biometric appointment. The answer, guys, is no. Hindi pa po kinukuha yung passport ng VFS Global. They are just checking your identity kung talagang ikaw yung nag-book ng appointment at kukuhaan ng inyong biometric. So, kailan ninyo ipapasa ang inyong passport? Ipapasa nyo ang inyong passport, guys, the moment na makareceive na kayo ng email or ng update sa inyong IRCC portal na nire-request yung inyong passport submission sa embassy. So, meaning po nun, approved po ang visa ninyo. Pero pag wala po kayong request of passport and ayan, denied na po yung visa ninyo, you don't need po mag-submit ng passport. So, wait po tayo ng update ng IRCC sa inyong portal kung kailan po kayo magsasubmit ng passport. And that is for today's vlog, and I hope nakatulong ulit siya, lalo na sa mga papuntang Canada. And to those who are asking for further assistance for their visa application, kindly email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page. Ayan, guys, napakadami ko na palang vlog about going to Canada. So please visit my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you so much. Keep watching my YouTube video. And if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe po kayo para ma-notify kayo if I have new video po. Ayan. So guys, thank you so much. Keep watching my video.